Hey friends, this is the Affetto Espresso machine by Cafe. Now, obviously this is an incredible machine. We love it. It makes an incredible cup of coffee. But one of the other reasons it's one of our favorite appliances in the kitchen right now is that it's super easy to clean and maintain. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through a cleaning process just to show you again how easy it is. Now we finished making a great cup of coffee. I'm gonna put that off to the side. What may happen after a few cups is that you'll start seeing a cleaning button over here. Now, depending on your model, this is the light that you may see, again, empty, waste, or cleaning. Now, there's a really quick clean to get that light to go off. Now, all you need to do is come down here and remove the drip tray. We're gonna push that off to the side, and then we're gonna open up this sleeve down here. Now, this is where all of those coffee grinds go after they've been made. And as you can see, there's a single puck in here, but normally you'll see about 5 or 6, maybe even 7 before you'll get that cleaning light. Again, that just means the tray is getting full and you need to dispose of this. So let's go ahead and dump this out in the trash can, and then we can rinse it out under the sink. Now, depending on how many times you've used this, you may want to take out this whole tray as well. As you can see, it gets a little bit of coffee residue on the bottom. We can go ahead and rinse and dry that off as well. Finally, what I like to do is make sure this drip tray doesn't have a lot of extra water in it. Again, this is where all that rinsing water goes. So I like to take this, usually give it a quick rinse and a wipe down as well. Okay, we're then ready to reassemble. We can first put that bottom tray in there, as well as the little catch box for those little coffee pucks, and we'll just slide that back in there. And then finally, we'll take our little drip tray and we'll stick it underneath there so we are ready for our next cup. Now there's one more thing that the manufacturer suggests to clean on occasion, and that's the little brewer. That's located behind this little access panel. We're just gonna push down. As you can see, that folds right out. And then our brewer is located right here. So what we do is pinch these 2 orange tabs, and that's actually gonna allow this to slide right out. Now what we can do is actually run this under warm water. And again, all that's gonna do is clean out all of the excess grounds, really give it a nice, fresh, clean experience so that our cup of coffee is optimal. Now we are gonna let this dry off before we put it into the machine, just so we don't get additional water inside the mechanics. Now while we're waiting for that to dry, we can actually take our microfiber cloth and we can actually wipe down the compartment inside here. There may be some grounds that have just come loose and are here inside this compartment. Okay, when our brewer is dry, we can then stick it back into the machine. Again, push in on those orange tabs and this will slot right in. And as you can see, that's now nice and in place. We can then take our little door and replace that back into its slot and close it all up. So there you go, friends. That's a quick demonstration on how to keep this machine optimal, clean. Again, super easy to use. We love it. Now, don't forget to subscribe. We're actually making a ton more videos on this machine to make your life just a little bit easier. So we'll see you again on the next one.